Your home holds memories, provides comfort, and shields you from the elements. Protect your investment with a family of products designed to cover what you value most. The CertainTeed Integrity Roof System combines proven components that ensure your roof provides lasting performance and peace of mind. Here's how it works. We start with a waterproofing underlayment, which creates a watertight barrier at vulnerable areas of your roof. This helps prevent leaks that can damage your home. Next, a high-performance, water-resistant underlayment is installed across the entire roof deck. This layer repels moisture and acts as a secondary barrier against leaks. After underlayment, the first course of starter shingles are installed. These cover the most wind-vulnerable areas of the roof. Working in tandem with the shingles above them, they help prevent shingle blow-off. CertainTeed shingles are next. They come in a variety of brilliant styles and color blends that are sure to complement your home, no matter your budget. All of our asphalt shingles exceed industry standards, ensuring you're getting the highest quality products for your home. A roof that breathes is proven to perform better and last longer. CertainTeed ridge vents, when combined with soffit or intake vents, create a balanced ventilation system that allows air to flow through your attic. Proper ventilation keeps the attic drier in the winter and cooler in the summer, reducing your energy bills. Then for a finishing touch, accessory shingles are installed at your roof's hip and ridge lines. Designed to complement your roof shingles, they provide the same level of protection and durability. No matter what the weather throws your way, you'll have peace of mind knowing your home is protected for many years to come. Insist on quality. Insist on performance. Insist on the CertainTeed Integrity Roof System. For more information, talk to your contractor or visit CertainTeed.com/roofing.